I'll be building a bike mount for this BMX bike, just on the back here. I got a 50 by 50 box section, 40mm tube. That's an old piece that used to be doing something else, and then I just got a little bit of foam and a little hinge. It's going to be mounting right onto here, and it's just going to hold the one bike mounted upside down on the back door. The first step is to turn this old water holder into just a base plate that I can weld onto to make the rest of my. Once that's all secure, I get to test it out, and it's pretty much exactly how I pictured it. It's awesome. I'm really happy with it.